Hi, in front of me is TCL 20SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme on this device. First of all, access settings and scroll all the way down. Now choose system, tap on languages and input, virtual keyboard and your current one, in my case keyboard. Then go into theme and tap on show more to see all available ones. When you're done, you can pick one of these pictures by tapping on the chosen one. Click on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and tap apply. You can do the same with one of these colors. So now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see the theme of it has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!